Hi, this is Barry here, and you're very welcome back to the 5 days to reignite your belief. Now, today on day 3, I want to talk about maybe just going a little bit easy on yourself, forgiving yourself. Because sometimes we're really tough on ourselves. We can forgive a lot of other people far quicker than we can forgive ourselves. And sometimes we can beat ourselves up because maybe we didn't take action before. It took us years to take action. Or we just look back in our life and look at all the mistakes and we just say to ourselves, well, I don't deserve to be successful because of all the things I've done in the past. So what I want you to do in today's video is just to lay off the guilt. Lay off all the kind of putting yourself down and just being mean to yourself. Because at the end of the day, it's going to be you that's going to complete this journey. Imagine having a jockey and a horse, and you want the horse to do well in that race, but you beat up the jockey. You just take a baseball bat to him and you give him a good hiding, put him back on the horse, and then you expect him to win the race. That's what we do to ourselves mentally. We just beat ourselves up so much, and then we wonder why that jockey can't actually finish the race, or is even interested in taking part in the race. So what we need to do today is to be our own cheerleader. We need to let some of our past mistakes go on and the guilt that we have. Because really, beating ourselves up is just going to drain your energy. I can look back in my life and I can look back at all the mistakes I made in the past, all some horrible money mistakes and business mistakes and everything. But it's not serving me any good by going back there and kind of dwelling in those moments. It's just draining all my energy. It's taking my motivation away. It's pointing out that I was an idiot then, which makes me feel like I'm an idiot right now, which isn't going to help me on my journey from this point onwards. So what I'd say to you is just go easy on yourself today. All right, maybe it's taken you a while before you got the courage up to take action, but forgive yourself. The younger version of you was doing the best that they could. The version of you today is different than the version of you 5 years ago, 10 years ago, who was scared or confused and didn't know what you know right now. So go easy on yourself because you're not that person anymore. You don't need to, you're not letting anyone down right now because of the time you've wasted in the past. You're still on the journey of life. And as I said in video 1, life really is a lot of times walking through the fog. It's only that our lives are going to make sense when we come to the end of our life and actually can look backwards at all the different things that we did. We met this person that led to that job, that led us to do this thing, that we met this person, we met a partner, or we had the kids, and which led us to this and this and this. And we just kind of ping pong off all these different events, people, and circumstances that have led us to some point in the future. But it's only going to make sense when we look backwards. And that's the way life is. And that's the way, if life is like that, well, then you can be guaranteed that whatever journey you're on now as a writer or a publisher or a YouTuber or a podcast or whatever, it's going to be the same too as well. You're going to be walking a lot in the dark, walking a lot in the fog. And the younger, maybe dumber version of you was lost in the fog, didn't know what they were doing, and was making the best choices that they made. So what I'd say to you is, forget that past version of you. And just show up for yourself today. Because right now you matter. You mightn't believe in yourself. You mightn't believe that what you have to say or what you have to, put in a video or a podcast is going to change someone's life. But it will. So show up for you today. Do the work that needs to be done. Write the words, make the video, do the podcast, and just use today as step A, step 1. You're starting from here. So be kind to yourself today. Forgive yourself of the past. Because you and I can beat each other up with all the different things that we did in the past, but it's not going to help us right now. So give yourself some peace of mind. Go easy on yourself. Because, as I said, you're not going to win the race with a bet up jockey. So hopefully that maybe will help somebody right now, because I know I was like that. I was kind of lost in the past, cursing myself for not taking action. Why didn't I write that book years ago? Why didn't I do that podcast a lot sooner? And that wasn't helping me. So see today as step one, as a start of your journey. Forgive the younger, dumber version of you who's doing the best that they could. And as I said, if life is going to be a journey that's not going to make sense until we look backwards, the journey you're on right now is going to be the exact same as well too. So give that some thought today, and I'll see you back in tomorrow's video.